Hi, this is Patty Finney with ESU 17, and I am going to demonstrate to you how you can use Google Slides as a great tool for a collaborative vocabulary lesson. So I'm going to go to my drive and create a new Google slide deck. And in this example, let's say I'm teaching health. So this is going to be my health, maybe chapter 2, vocabulary lesson. For my first slide, I would probably go ahead and put my chapter 2 vocabulary lesson. And I might just change this layout really quick to give my instructions. So maybe my directions would be, please find the slides assigned to you and complete the following steps. One maybe would be to write the definition of the word. Two would be write a sentence using your own words. Write a sentence, maybe I'd say, write a sentence in your own words using the given vocabulary word. And then I might ask them to underline the vocabulary word in your sentence. And then I might also ask them to add a picture or a drawing representation of the word. Okay, so then all I would do is I would add my slides, and I would then give them each a name. So maybe I'm going to have Pam, maybe I'm going to have each of my students do 2 words. And okay, so again, I could either assign the vocabulary words and put them in my slide deck to start with, or I could have them open to that page and say, John, you're responsible for the first 2, Pam, you have the next 2, and so forth. So for this example, I'm just going to use 3 different words. So maybe John, I'm going to assign him resting heart rate. And I'm also going to assign him blood pressure. And Pam, maybe I'm going to assign her body mass index. And if I wanted to make it even and add one more, okay. So then, if you wanted to, you could show them how they could create or change the slide format to be what they would like. You know, possibly they would change it to the two columns so they could do their definition and their sentence in one box and their picture in the other. But most of your students, it won't take them very long to figure out how they can change the slides. And you might not want it to be consistent. You might let them do it in any way that they choose. But at the end of this lesson, your students will then have the full slide decks with all of their word definitions, sentences, and picture representations of the word. Remember that if you share this document with them through the sharing feature, you can also always make changes. So if something is wrong, or if there's questions about a sentence use or anything, you can always go in and comment, or you can make those corrections yourself. But you have collaboratively then completed your vocabulary lesson. You have broken the job down, and each student will have the full list of words with their definitions to study from. A very easy way to bring some collaboration and sentence writing into a vocabulary lesson. Thanks for listening.